Here's how to make a story on Snapchat. Now, whether you want a public story, a private story, or specific friends to see that story, I'll show you how to do all of it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, open up the Snapchat app here, and you're going to tap on your profile picture or Bitmoji at the top left. Now from here, you have 4 different options for stories. I'll walk you through all of them. You can see it says add to my story, friends only. I can tap on that and I can go through and upload various snaps, camera roll, or I can do the camera and take a picture or a video. However, you also have new private story, new shared story, as well as add story to the public so everybody can see it. Let's say in this case, I want a new private story. The cool thing here is I can choose the specific people that will be able to see that story. So let's say I want to add this person and hit create. After I've done that, it can say whatever you want here. I can just say private and hit done. So I've named that story. And now on here, I can go to add to private. And from here, I can go to camera roll. I can upload a photo or video from the camera roll. I can go to the camera and I can take a quick photo or a video. And now if I hit the send button at the bottom right, you'll be able to see it says sent. I can enter the passcode here and it will send that private story to that one specific person. Again, you can always choose to do it through the public so that everybody can see it or just your friends across all of them. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.